Hi everyone and welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Friday the 11th of March with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Ansett Markets. Let's look at this gold chart, and we had again another sharp turnaround on the ECB meeting. Initial weakness through the morning and actually on the announcement, but then subsequently sharp move on the press conference when Draghi said that they weren't going to be doing, or he didn't foresee any further um, easing measures. So that sort of flipped the outlook around again, and this uptrend that was breaking down seems to have been arguably reaffirmed. Although I think the sheer fact that it has had a big test of that uptrend and just would even put pressure on it. And the fact is that we're seeing a bit of a turnaround again today as risk appetite has improved. But I'm still going to focus on these bearish divergences on RSI, stochastics, MACD lines falling, still is a concern for me. Even though gold closed at a sort of 12-month high, 13-month high in fact, yesterday, I'm still concerned about this turnaround that we've had today. $7 down on the day. You've got this initial sort of breakout level, 1260 spot 60, which acted as a basis of a bit of a pivot line. Again, that's approaching now. But look at these momentum indicators on the outer chart. Crossover sell signal on the MACD lines, stochastics falling, RSI falling. So the pressure is sort of still on to the downside, and certainly as the Europeans have got trading today, they've unwound all those gains, those moves to highs on the on this gold price overnight. And I'll be very interested to see because how this one pans out. Because 1282.50 was the overnight high. I've already unwound almost $20 of that, so that's a strong move in itself. So there is still pretty much a fair amount of chopping and volatility in this chart, even though I suppose you'd still point at these candles and say, well, you're still posting higher lows throughout. But I'm just still concerned about this momentum and the lack of strength in the RSI, bearish divergences across the board. So yes, you've had this positive reaction yesterday, but again today, there are big question marks. But again, if you sort of move back below that 1260 60 pivot, then I think that could potentially put the outlook sort of once more corrective, because you'd be sort of back below all these moving averages again. So he's still not. I'm still by no means a confident bull in any way at all, even though the price is rising. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again on Monday. Thank you.